Alright, what's up, troopers? It's your boy Wierddd. Welcome back to a brand new video. Sorry I missed last week's vlog, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to go down, like, subscribe, and comment if you guys don't have already. I read every single comment. And join the DZ fam today because it's about to get crazy. I have a couple goodies in coming for the car, couple stuff, couple projects going on for the car, so I can assure you this will be worth it. So trust me guys, but thought more of a relaxed vlog today, but we're gonna go out to eat, have a couple buddies coming over at M4 and S3. Should be a good time. This place we're going to, I haven't been for a while. It's like a Japanese kind of hipster, funky, very retro, so thought bring you guys along with me to get this vlog started. Let's go. Holy smokes. Go, go, go. Oh shit. Bam, we are here. Friends already here already. This M4 well parked up, all good to go. Alright guys, so we got daily specials here. Sunday fun day. Ooh, that's pretty cool. That's a lot. Funky veggie. Ooh, how's that? I definitely get this, no problem.
The dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Wow guys, that was freaking crazy. Alright, time to go for our own cruise now. Alright guys, so currently I'm leading the pack right now. There's always a risk leading the pack because if you get caught, you get screwed first, right? But yeah, and again, sometimes you gotta just do it for the team, right? So currently on route, we're headed to Cyprus right now. I'm gonna do a couple of runs, do a couple races, do a couple of drags, you know, some hella content for you guys. So yeah, this vlog might be a little jumpy here and there, but honestly it's all gonna be some dope parts in there. So let's go guys.
I need to do it by you have to do it beside us.
Yeah, you had to do it beside us. You fuck, just don't go reverse. You go reverse, I'm dead.
Yay.
Yeah. everything. What the fuck? Oh my god, how can you not like this? Especially on 4. You guys hear that? Give that a thumbs up if you like that. Oh my god. Your surroundings first. You could just like drive it around first, and then when you're used to it, then.
Oh, fucking water bottle.
Crash Lex!
Water bottle slipped between my legs. Water bottle slipped between my legs.
Yeah, we actually can. Where are they going? Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Alright guys, so okay, I need you guys to tell me something. So literally, literally pull onto the side right now, and it literally just says, please take a break on the dash with the coffee symbol here. How does that make sense? What does that mean?